I am hopping on really quick. I got something in the mail this weekend and I was just really excited to show you guys. It's a new to me company and I'm gonna just unbox it, see what it looks like, and I'm not gonna play with it today because I have some big deadlines, but I am going to play with it later in the week. At least that's my plan. So let's unbox it real quick. So this company is really new to me. It's called Pink and Main, and I found them because I was a participant in the recent card makers summit, and it was really fun. I learned a lot of techniques, but this was one of the companies that, as I was watching people use their products and tutorials, I was like, oh my gosh, I have so many ideas. And so I started sketching, just like non-stop sketching, and I'm like, oh, if I had that, I could do this, and you know, stuff like that. So they have really cute packaging. I know that they just opened a storefront, I believe, this past weekend. So that's really exciting that they're growing. That's cute. They have a little scoop for the stuff I got. So I love the packaging. So I got flocking with glitter from them. This is the sparkling cotton candy. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to use it. I love that they gave the spoon for it. Sparkling fuzzy monster, so like Cookie Monster, but with glitter. Basically, I got everything with glitter because I thought it looked fun. Sparkly fuzzy mittens, so it's a hot pink. Sparkly cottontails, so perfect for Easter bunny tails and stuff, with glitter, of course. Sparkling in the clouds, so a light blue. And then I got a couple of their clearance stamps, so I thought I would try out their quality of stamping. But these were just so cute. Little snowmen. And these are little pirates. I have my cousin's children. They love pirates, everything pirates. So they have pirates with dies. And then because my girls love unicorns, they're probably going to play with this a lot. This is a really cute unicorn set with dies. I think, yep, the snowmen have dies too. So, and I don't know if I ordered this or not. This might be just a goodie. So I hope you are all having a wonderful end of your February. I am trying my best to get as much done as possible because I have so many deadlines to keep up with. But I am definitely making sure I keep myself on track so that I have time to do the paper crafting and working with the leather and all that stuff. So I look forward to seeing you all again really soon, and who knows what we might create. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye.